Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. This is Sarah, and I hope you're having a great day. In this video, we share with you a big project that takes up very little space. Create a dynamic street scene with shop front windows where you can store and display your American Girl doll items. And since this is a DIY, you can create any shop you'd like and customize it to fit the space you have. Make one shop or make a whole set. Put them together and you have a whole street where the dolls can promenade and shop till they drop. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to help our channel get to 5K. Our dolls are ready to shop, so let's get making. For this project, I'm starting with an older paint canvas that's seen better days. It's large, measuring 92 centimeters long, 60 centimeters high, and 3 centimeters deep. With this canvas, we have enough space to make 2 shop fronts. Here, I've sketched a design of what I'd like the street scene to look like, and I'm going to start with this shop as a general store. For the back wall, I covered a sheet of poster board with wood grain contact paper, then adhered it to the canvas with fabric glue. I'm going to build the shop front using foam board, but you could substitute this material with cardboard, and attach the pieces using hot glue. Cut and pre-paint 2 long rectangles to cover the left side of the canvas. A horizontal strip along the bottom, followed by another tall rectangle. As this piece sits on the top and bottom of the frame, it will need a support piece underneath. Connect the 2 vertical strips with the shop front wall and cover the canvas's central wood beam with another strip of foam board. To cover the window, I'll need a large piece of plastic, so I'm going to recycle the packaging from this scrapbooking set. Cut a window frame from the insert, then glue it back inside the packaging. Next, cut 4 shelves from foam board and cover with the wood grain contact paper. Hot glue the shelves to the back wall and to the side support walls. Now cut and layer strips of foam board to give our shop front wall some detail and dimension, ensuring the adhesive for these pieces does not touch the window pane. Add vertical strips of foam board to frame the window, again ensuring it does not glue to the window pane. Next, I'm adding rectangles of black and white poster board to add more detail to the front wall. I'll add even more dimension by adhering the leftover stationery baskets that came from our DIY gourmet kitchen under the window. Next, use scrap foam board to make a box. Cover with cement contact paper and glue it in the gap for a step. We took the door from our DIY Corrine ski bedroom set. It's attached to the central beam of the canvas using hot glue and held open while the glue dried. Then affixed more foam board over the top of the door to close it in. Then attaching 2 large rectangles of foam board for the shop roof and sign. Complete the front of the shop with an awning made from poster board. Ours has a back tab that is 1 centimeter wide, and we will glue the tab to the lower part of the roof piece. Make simple brackets from layers of paperboard and glue it under the awning to help it keep its shape. Here we glued white sticker letters onto black poster board to make our shop name. The general store is open and inviting, but it needs some stock. So let's see what we have in our craft room. Over the years, we've made lots and lots of doll food items, so we have extras to put in the shop. Shout out to AG Lovey Sparkles for all the printables related to Nenea's family market. I'll leave a link to her channel in the description box. When you're happy with how the shelves are stocked, slide the window pane back into place. Here we have a selection of our DIY'd breads and are going to use them to fill the display basket on the right and put flowers in the basket on the left. Then placed our DIY bag of rice in the middle to create a visual triangle. The general store looks great, so let's make the next shop front. This time, the back wall is covered in pink contact paper with an accent panel of gold pinstripe paper on the right side of the wall. This is where we'll put a bay window made from an empty clear packaging box. Cut 2 foam board support pieces, gluing them only to the canvas above and below the box. Now cut and pre-paint the outside wall. And another long piece to close in the box. Here we cut a notch so this piece will sit flush over the wooden base of the canvas frame. Layer pieces of foam board to mimic moulding for the top front piece. Then affix another long strip to the left side as seen on screen. Ensure your foam board pieces are not too tight so you can remove the plastic packaging to access inside the bay window. Cover the lower fifth of the wall in brick contact paper. Then add strips of foam board below the window for trim. Cut more strips of foam board to close in the top of the shop. You can leave this area plain or decorate with more faux moulding. Then adhere an L-shaped piece of foam board for the roof. We decorated the doorway with strips of gold specialty cardstock. Then attach shelves made from foam board covered in pink contact paper, followed by another tall strip. The door is made from layers of paperboard, and we've tried to replicate a simple Art Deco design. Paint the door gold and glue it in the space between the window and the shelves. We made a wall light from a recycled egg carton, florist wire, and more paperboard. To make it functional, we will blue tack an electric tea light inside. Affix the light to the back wall inside the bay window. I think the soft glow from the tea light is very effective. We chose to make this shop a bakery, but it has an oldie-worldy feel that could work as a sewing shop or even a wand shop in Diagon Alley. Our display window features a cake, chocolate eclairs and cookies. And the shelves are stocked with even more treats to entice customers inside. From one unused paint canvas, we now have 2 fun and bright shop scenes, offering new ways to play and display your American Girl doll items. Thanks for watching!